Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Imagine you've been holding on to a stock for over 2 years, watching its value skyrocket by more than 1,200% thanks to a hot Bitcoin buying spree. Now, that same company has decided to go all in on Bitcoin and rebrand itself as Strategy. But what does this mean for investors? In recent months, MicroStrategy's stock price shot up over the past 2 years as the price of Bitcoin soared, but now it's facing criticism from analysts, investors, and academics who say its valuation is unsustainable. For example, Carnegie Mellon University finance professor Brian Routledge has pointed out that Strategy's valuation is nearly twice the value of its Bitcoin holdings, which raises questions about its viability. The company holds 478,740 Bitcoins with a market value of $45 billion, yet the stock market values it at $85 billion. While investors are anticipating future gains from Bitcoin, this doesn't necessarily guarantee long-term success for Strategy's Bitcoin-centric business model. If the price of Bitcoin continues to drop, or if Strategy continues to abandon its core software business and rely heavily on debt payments, things could get ugly fast. The company might need to dip into its Bitcoin holdings to cover expenses, which could send the price of Bitcoin down further and drag down Strategy's value as well. However, there is another scenario to consider: Strategy evolving into a Bitcoin bank. This would involve lending out its Bitcoin holdings to others and generating revenue through financial services. While this sounds like a far-fetched idea, Michael Saylor has already floated the concept and described it as a Bitcoin bank that could make money on its Bitcoin holdings. Now, considering Strategy's current price of $323, which is approximately 32% below its all-time high closing price of $474, a price of $500 within striking distance. But with Bitcoin struggling to find its footing in the short term and long-term investor uncertainty surrounding this rebranding move, I think it's a better choice just to buy Bitcoin itself and not mess around with Strategy. Buying Bitcoin directly means fewer moving pieces and less downside risk if the crypto market continues to move sideways or down in 2025. With so many questions still unanswered about Strategy's business model and valuation, taking a more straightforward approach might be the smartest play for investors right now.